Hey, marijuana stocks. Hey, my beer fell. Is it gonna split? No. The fucking machine's getting closer. Cheers, big ear. Big rainstorm coming tonight. See where this fucker is. Getting there. Still hard to see. Damn it. I'm Gumby, damn it. Cheers, big ears. Boom. That shakes house pretty good. Better not drop it on my house. Well, I could use a new house. They'd have to pay. That's fucking wild. Well, if they keep clearing out trees like that, I know a good place to grow some wheat next summer. It's a big blade. It's pretty fucking cool. Bitchy. You spin me round, right, baby, right round. Oh, I miss the 80s. Hot chicks and big hair and, well, kind of crappy music. See this fucking thing. I need one of those. Drink up, butter, cup. Oh yeah, zoom out. ZTFO, mofo. Where's the fucker going now? Oh. There's that guy too with an orange one. There's that one with the dot. Come on, buddy. Oh, that one. That one says do not cut. No cut. Wonder why? It's an ash. Uh-oh. Here we go. Oh, he's taking that little tiny fucker. This is a small one. Two toasts side by each, huh? Oh, wait. Shit the fuck tabernacle. That one's a big one. Look out. Alright bitches, we shut her down for the day, but here's the machine. It's pretty cool, eh? I hear the log skidder coming. This Tiger Cat, 845, pretty cool. Clean the fucking swath right out, eh? She's fucking mucky as fuck here. This is the beast. Pretty cool. 300 pieds. Illudez-vous. Illudez-vous. Means get the fuck away for 300 feet. I guess. I don't speak French, but makes sense to me. Look at this, eh? That's pretty gnarly. I'm liking it. She takes her right down, cuts her up. Nice. They're cutting these trees because of the emerald ash borer. Stupid bug, killing all these trees. Awesome. Alright, well, that's enough of the tree cutting and logging in Bastardland. Look at that, eh? Boom. See that fucking blade. Look at this thing, eh? Fuck me. Arrgh. That is pretty fucking wild. Cool. Orange marks. Anything with an orange mark is going. Alright, bitches. Orange. Orange is the dead tree. Or the doomed tree, I should say. Yeah. Orange is the doomed tree. Alright. Oh, I have beer. Still. I think I'm gonna go get high. Clouds are coming. She's getting dark, so I ain't fucking doing fuck all. I ain't going anywhere. It's gonna be a heavy rainstorm. It's pretty wild. Right on. Bitchy. Nice. Where's my house? Chipmunk. Doomed. Orange. Orange is the doomed tree. Chippy, where are you going? Oh, it turns out, actually, it's funny. These trees here, these are right behind my house. He's not going to use the machine. He's going to cut these ones with the saw. I know the dude. It's funny, when he parked the thing, I yelled over, "Hey, buddy." And when we were talking, he's like, "Fuck, I know him." Haven't seen him in a few years, but yeah, someone I know. Bye. Alright, bitches, that's enough of this. Now there's no more noise. I can do another video. Woohoo! RTFO mofos.